Twitter is one of the hottest private companies in Silicon Valley right now. After Facebook went public last year, everybody is keen to know how much Twitter would be worth if it were to go public. We got a hint of that valuation today from a private transaction which is beginning this week. Twitter is receiving an investment of around $80 million from a fund part of BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. Many of Silicon Valley's best known investors already hold stakes in Twitter, including Kleiner Perkins and Benchmark, as well as individuals like Marc Andreessen and Jeff Bezos of Amazon. This latest investment brings in new funds from BlackRock, a much more traditional investor who will include it as part of one of their funds. And it values the company at around $9 billion. $9 billion is about 10% higher than the $8 billion which Twitter last raised money in 2011. Now, that growth may not seem much, given that in the same period, Twitter has managed to double its user base and has grown its revenues from almost nothing to $300 million. However, at the same time, we have seen Facebook and Zynga and other consumer internet stocks that went public last year and the year before see their valuations plummet. BlackRock will be buying around 1% of Twitter stock for its clients. The tender offer is for existing employees to gain a little bit of cash in the meantime while we wait for that IPO later this year or next year. Tim Bradshaw, Financial Times, San Francisco.